day to the Kringle community all over the world. Wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good morning, good afternoon to you all. I am Olorun Oluwayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel. Guys, this is a show of Bounties redemption. So, guys, follow me as I claim the Binance Bounties. Now you go to your account, then from your account to your Binance Bounties, and you go to Bounty details. Guys, TBC is sweet. You can see I have good 24 grains to collect, and all in crypto. These are the benefits, these are part of the gains in TBC. So guys, don't slack, don't slack. Going, gone. Processing, and you have to be very careful so that you will not click on redemption for redeem bounties for grain, but what for crypto. So guys, that's all for now. I urge everyone, let's keep prospecting, let's keep bringing people into the community, and let's keep encouraging everyone. Let's pay our program fee regularly, and very soon we shall all enjoy. Thank you. Bye for now. Love you all. TBC is our birthright.